Introducing the Clavier Fusion portable Bluetooth speaker for Android and iPhone. These speakers have a superior sound quality and deep bass with 360-degree surround sound. The 5-watt dual driver and bass diaphragm deliver a rich bass, clear mid-range and crisp high-pitch sound. The speakers have LED flashing lights that follow the music beats to give you an immersive visual and auditory experience. It also has a built-in mic that can be used for phone calls. The built-in 1000 mAh battery provides an 8 to 10 hour playtime and 72 hour standby time. The speakers are compatible with Bluetooth 5.0 for a stable transmission. The Bluetooth range is up to 131 feet and has extremely fast connectivity with smartphones, tablets, and laptops. An aux cable can be used to connect with non-Bluetooth devices. The speaker also supports memory cards up to 32 GB. The power button doubles as a play or pause button. There are also two controls for volume that can be used as previous and next buttons, along with a button to switch between different modes. The color variant is black. This product comes with a standard brand warranty. Pay online using debit or credit card and net banking. For EMI options, replacement policy and further information, visit the product detail page.